Need a stylish bench that hides your clutter? This is a simple and fast review of the BIGGARSIT 48-inch storage Ottoman with armrests. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So when you get all the pieces out of the box, it'll look something like this. Your main compartment, or your main seat, and the sides, and then of course stuff in the middle. So we'll go ahead and assemble and take it from there. So I'm leaving this chair out so you have some size perspective. Again, this is meant to kind of go at the edge of a bed or anything or something like that. It's a bit of a pain to put together, honestly, the way they map it out, but it can be done. But overall, it's a great looking piece. Sitting on it is not an issue, as I'll demonstrate in a second.
So the legs at the bottom are fully adjustable, and I'm gonna just adjust a little bit just so you can see my, well, maybe you probably won't even see my face. That's okay.
But the legs on the bottom you can adjust with a simple screw. As noted, there's kind of some ledges or edges here, so be aware of that. And decent amount of space, so you could legitimately fit 2 people comfortably if needed to sit on this. So if 2 people are putting on their socks or their shoes or whatever, it works. So overall, this is a little bit bigger than it probably needs to be, but it looks good. Opens easily, closes easily, so not too bad. Definitely worth buying if you're looking for something like this at the foot of your bed or somewhere in your home. I love the storage capabilities. Let me just show you the insides real quick. With anything like this, it's always kind of hard to craft the exact measurements and everything like that, but it's kind of, just be aware of the sloppiness of kind of the cuts and stuff like that. But overall, this is fantastic inside as far as storage space. I'm just storing the user manual and extra parts right now. It comes with 2 extra screws. But it looks great, so a lot of storage space. There's zipper spaces here. You can unzip this, and believe it or not, on the back, and I guess I probably did this wrong, but there's a space to kind of slip stuff in here. So you can kind of probably see that slides in. So I don't know if I installed it incorrectly or not. I thought I did it right, but it would be inconvenient to kind of hide it there unless you're literally just trying to hide some stuff. And in that case, it's actually a better spot. But overall, not too bad. So this thing looks great. Pretty easy. I'll include how long it took to assemble in the description, or I'm sorry, in the video. And hopefully this is a valuable video for you, worth buying. Thanks for watching.